Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you know me, I've been using like these little sling bags and stuff like that, but figured I just fill them up too much with stuff depending on what I'm doing throughout the day. So I got this. This is a LANDICI brand, and it should be a sling backpack. So let's see if we can open this up. I don't have any scissors, so we'll be tearing this thing to shreds. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, out of the bag. So this is how it comes packaged in here. And there's a little paper. And so this is what this looks like. So it's like a little single-sided sling backpack, I guess you would call it. And so it's got the one strap and the clip. I guess it clips on too. Oh, I guess it comes down the middle, and then I guess you can clip it on either side. You have a left side and a right side, so you can put it on either one. I don't know which side I would use it on. But that would be it there. So let me tighten this up a little bit. It looks pretty loose at the moment. Okay. And let's see if we just put it there. There we go. Now it's kind of a sling backpack, and there it is there. Kind of nice. It's got this section up front here. It'll probably fit my phone in it. I can't show you guys because my phone knows what's recording this. And then it's got a little strap here, carabiner or something onto it if I wanted to. And then this is the backpack here. So let's see what we got here. We have a little front pocket, which is nice. Might stick my wallet in that front section. I can open this up here. And this one here is slightly bigger. This would be good for if I buy some things or need an extra pair of socks or something with me. And then we have the big section right here. It's made of a nice nylon kind of PVC-ish kind of thing here. But here's the big section here, and this one here is decently sized. I might even be able to fit like my iPad in there. It's big enough for that. So that's nice. And in this back here, it's got a couple of pockets. You can see there, 1, 2 pockets on there. And the zipper pouch on this side here. So this would be a good place to hide your passport or something if you're traveling and using this for travel. And it's got a padded back too, so that's kind of nice. So if you have something in here, if you're putting wires or something like that in there, it won't be poking through on your back. And up here, it's got the little headphone jack here. So if you do have your phone or whatever music on the inside, you can just run the little wires through there. Kind of cool. Got it all, or I'll probably use it for my charging cable and keep my battery pack in there and just charge from there. So this is it here. It's LANDICI. Got a little side pouch here. Could put a little bottle of water on each of the sides, and it's nice. I'd say this is a really nice one here. I like the way it zippers either way, and super good and nice. It's really comfortable, so it's gonna fit all my stuff. Be good for travel or whatever. So it's nice because then you get a hands-free instead of having an extra something to carry on. So it's nice. So like backpack, but a sling back with just one side. So I like it.